see how to install Windows 7 on virtual machine. First, create the virtual machine and define the specs. This step equals the hardware preparation and connecting it to a network in reality. Open File menu and click on New Virtual Machine. In the first page of the wizard, there are two options. We will select Custom and press Next. Here, the version hardware compatibility. By default, it points to the highest version. Keep it on version 15 and press Next. Here is the ISO image location to boot from. We'll skip this step for now. Click on I will install the operating system later and Next. Which operating system and which version you will use. In our case, we will install Microsoft Windows and the version is Windows 7 64-bit. Next. The location of where you will store the virtual machine files. You can change the default location. The best practice is to locate it in the partition that has a free large space to centralize all virtual machines in one folder. I will create a new folder and name it Virtual Machines. And we'll create a subfolder for the machine of Windows 7. Take a copy of this path, then back to the wizard and paste it here. Also, I will change the virtual machine name to Windows 7 and Next. Keep the default and Next. Here, I will increase the number of processor cores to 2. Next. Specify the RAM size. You can increase or decrease in this way. Next. Choose which network connection for this virtual machine. I will choose Net and Next. Keep the default. Next. Next. Here we will select Create a new virtual disk. Next. You can specify the disk size according to your needs. For a few tests on Windows 7, the 1 GB will be enough, but we will keep it the default for future needs. Next. Next. This is the summary of the settings we did. Click Finish to start in the VM creation. Now the virtual machine has been created and ready for use. Here are the settings, and we can edit at any time. You can change the RAM size, number of processors and cores, also the network connection.